Hi, I'm Katie. I'm from Connecticut and I live a really active lifestyle. I'm a runner, I like to do yoga and Pilates, and today I want to introduce you to Boost Oxygen. Boost Oxygen has been around since 2007 and it's popular with athletes for recovery, with seniors who might have shortness of breath, people in high altitude regions like Colorado where there can be less oxygen in the air, with people experiencing poor air quality, and more. It's an all-natural respiratory support. I've tried all of the Boost Oxygen aromas and my favorite is the peppermint, but they have natural, which is no aroma, peppermint, menthol eucalyptus, and pink grapefruit in large, medium, and pocket sizes. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is Boost Oxygen? It is portable and convenient 95% pure oxygen in an aluminum canister that is 100% recyclable. It is pure aviators breathing oxygen that is not medical oxygen. Medical oxygen is defined as oxygen that is 99.2% or higher. Now, Boost Oxygen is not intended to cure or prevent any medical problems. It's for people who want to enjoy the benefits of supplemental oxygen in their lifestyle. Did you know that the air that we normally breathe is only 21% oxygen? The majority is useless 78% nitrogen. Your body needs oxygen for energy, and that's why Boost Oxygen is so great. It provides nearly 5 times the oxygen we normally breathe. It's a natural product that's used for respiratory support. It's healthy oxygen and doesn't have side effects on your body like caffeine, sugar, or stimulants. And now that you know what Boost Oxygen is, visit their website for more information at boostoxygen.com. Again, I am Katie. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.